guys, welcome back with me Tazky Aulia Rahmah, and now I want to share you about how to make Korean spicy noodle. Let's check this out. First step, you can use pan and add some water. Okay, enough, and save in stove and turn on the fire. Wait until water boils. Okay, next open the package of noodle and out the seasoning. Okay, if the water boiled already, you can put the noodle inside and cook until well done. Add seasoning in bowl. You can like this. Oh. Okay, after 5 minutes, and this is well done, you can turn off the fire and you can drain the water of the noodle. Yeah. And then you can put the noodle in bowl like this. Mix all together until done. Finish. You can serve the noodle. Okay, and that's my video. Hope you enjoy it, and you can follow my recipe in if you want cook some Korean noodle spicy. And thank you for watching. Sorry if I have a mistake, and bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.